Hey y'all, welcome to Jay's Daily Devotional. Today we're going to be coming out of Luke 9, verse 23. And the Word of God says, "If any man will come after me, he must deny himself and take up his cross daily and follow me." Meaning that you must take up your cross daily and follow me. In the Greek, they have words, present tense, and basically this is saying that, if you want to follow Christ, it's just not a one-day thing. You got to do it one day and continue to keep on doing it. And also, it's a middle voice, meaning that you got to make yourself do this. Nobody's going to get you there. Great-grandma, the prayer war is not going to get you there. And the past is not going to get you there. You got to do it yourself. And by denying yourself, meaning, denying that flesh, the evil desires, the things that you want of the world, the sex, the money, the parties, the drugs, and just like I tell everybody else, they ask me, do I want to come to a party if, everybody else on campus go there, and I says, if Christ ain't there, then I don't want to go either. If Christ is up there, I'm going to get a shipload of people. But you gotta say no to the flesh. The flesh rises like geese. This is just an encouragement, devotional. Stay strong. Always try to stay. If you don't stay connected, you're gonna fall. There's a spirit of isolation, and that's when the devil gets in your mind and start playing tricks with you, because you don't have nobody on your team. We need to pass the ball around. We need to pass the ball so people can shoot it. We're playing a one-man team. The devil's gonna hack us. He's gonna get the ball off of us. So we gotta play team ball. So stay connected. Help somebody else. Help somebody else out. Just keep your eyes on God, like Isaiah was saying. This is Jay. Peace out.